Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Again, welcome to Hassan Homeopathic official YouTube channel. Again, welcome. Today, this short video bring you the best homeopathic medicine for sleeplessness. It is very safe for your health, gentle and effective. Stay with me for just a few seconds and discover which remedy match your sleep problem. Let's begin. Very beautiful homeopathic medicine, very effective homeopathic medicine, and very resulted homeopathic medicine. First medicine of these symptoms is passiflora, very useful for these symptoms. And again, next medicine is coffea cruda, often recommended if you can't sleep because your mind is racing over active thoughts or you are overly sensitive to stimuli. Uh, Next medicine, next vomica, very useful. And next medicine, chamomilla, very useful. And next medicine, arsenic album. And next medicine, Echinacea amara. These all medicine is very useful for these symptoms of sleeplessness. You can use with your doctor advice. Uh, you can use with your nearest homeopathic doctor's advice. Uh, Please don't use as a self medication. Very It is very riskable for you. This video is only made for education and information purpose. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.